What's going on? So we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is Police Couldn't Keep a Straight Face with This Entitled Woman. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here.
31st, 2025. Officers conducted a routine traffic stop on a vehicle with a headlight out.
Good morning, ma'am. You have your license with you?
How you doing?
I'm good. You have your license with you?
Yeah. What was the problem?
Can I have your license for me, please?
Yes. What was the problem?
Can I have your license and I'll let you know?
Yes. What was the problem though?
Ma'am, just need your license and I'll let you know.
Okay, but I also have the right to know what was the problem.
Ma'am, we could do this my way or your way. You could be detained and then I could tell you.
I don't have to be detained because I know, but I'm just trying to figure out what was the problem.
I just need your ID and then I'll let you know what's the problem.
Okay, so what was the problem is what I thought.
When I get your ID, I will let you know.
I understand you have I have no problem giving you my ID, but what was the issue?
The issue is right now, I just need your ID. And then I'll let you
what
know.
was the issue, sir? I know my rights.
Can you step over for me? Step over for me.
What was my... I'm in my property.
Ma'am, just need your license for me.
Okay, but what was the issue?
Your headlight is out. That's why.
My headlight?
Yes, ma'am.
My head... Oh, baby. Okay, what's your name?
Russell. You receive a
No, what's your name? What's your number?
Russell, 728.
Okay, let me...
I'll give you a paper. You don't have to write it down. I'll give you a paper. Ma'am.
What's your name? You said Russell?
I will give you a paper.
Russell.
Yes. I need your license.
What's your ID at badge?
728.
728. And who was your supervisor?
I need your license for the last time.
Yes, sir, I will give you that. I have not.
I
have never said that I was
step on the vehicle for me.
I never said that I was not going to get 728.
Step on the vehicle for me.
I don't have to because I never said that I was never going to give you.
Yo, he better get a hold of this situation real fucking fast, man. Okay? Real fast, because she is controlling this whole encounter. Are you the cop or are you the civilian? Like, get your shit together, bruh. Get it right. Quick.
What you asked for.
Because I'm asking too many times.
Because I asked you what was the problem was. Because you said it was my headlight.
I already told you the problem.
I understand that. And I understand. I never just said that I was never going to give you.
Just need your ID.
All right, okay.
Thank you.
And I never said that I was never going to give you my ID. I simply pulled over in my neighborhood. Like, this does not make any sense whatsoever. Because of my headlight. Okay. It makes no sense. It makes no sense.
Ma'am, I need your ID.
You're gonna get that.
Put the phone.
I'm giving you.
Put the phone down. I need your ID. Need your IDs.
You're going to get my ID.
I need your
You're going to get my ID, but you have no right to sit there.
Need your phone.
You have no. You didn't. You have. I'm giving you my ID.
Get it, ma'am.
I'm giving you my ID right now.
Give me your ID.
You're touching me. I'm giving you. How can I give you my ID? You're touching me.
Let me have your
How
ID.
can I give you my ID? You're touching me. It's on your head camera.
Ma'am.
So how can I give you my ID? You're touching me. Don't touch me if I give you my head ID. I'm giving you the and multitasking. Like, don't sit up there and do that to me. I'm not disrupting anything that you're saying to do, but you're putting your hands on me.
Have a seat.
We're going to get back to the video in just 1 second, but first I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm going to help you grow your YouTube channel from zero to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full-time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
To do, but you're putting your hands on me.
Have a seat.
But you're putting your hands on me.
Have a seat.
I am, but you're putting your hands on me. I never said that I was not giving you my ID, but you're putting your hands on me. You was a black man. It's on your camera. It's on your camera. I know your name.
Have a seat.
I know your name. I know your name. Put his hands on me. I'm calm, but he put his hands on me like I never said I would give you what you asked what you needed, and I said you could get what you needed, but you put your hands on me. He put his hands on me. Record the camera. The camera's recorded, and you put your hands on me.
She look like.
Yeah, I think she's 30. Yeah.
Step back here for me.
Come to the back of the car.
She definitely intoxicated or under the influence of something.
Ma'am.
I'm okay.
Ma'am,
Okay.
step out the
I
vehicle.
don't need to gather.
That is
I
not-
don't need to gather
Listen.
because you put your hands
Listen,
on me.
get out of the car.
I don't feel safe. I don't feel
Get out of
safe.
the car.
I don't feel
You're about to go to
safe.
jail. Get out of the car.
I don't feel safe. Wait, Mama. Stop.
Get out of the car.
Stop. Stop. I don't feel safe. I'm not dirty. You talking about dirty?
Get out of the car.
No, you never recorded the camera. You a white man, and you trying to do this to a black woman. Stop.
Hey, don't turn
Stop.
around.
Stop.
Do not turn on that car.
Stop. Stop. Stop touching me. Mama, come to the neighborhood.
Get out of the
Come
car.
to the neighborhood, Mama.
You're about to get tased.
How?
Get out the car.
Get out.
Get out the car.
Okay,
gonna get
back
tased.
up, back up, back
Get
up.
out the car.
Back
Come on.
up, back
No.
up.
Get out the car.
How? Y'all right here.
Don't
How? You all right
Alright,
here.
last one.
How? You all right here. How? You all
She's
right?
trying to turn the
How
car
can
on.
I get out?
Get out.
Because we're pulling you. Get out.
How? If y'all coming right here. How? Mama!
Get out.
Oh,
Get out.
Get out of the car.
okay. Stop. All right. Okay.
You alright, go ahead.
Oh, you gonna do that to me? Stop! Look, let me tell you something. You do not have to detain me. I will get out. I'm okay. You do not have to detain me. I will get up. Whatever you ask me, I will get up right now.
You way past that.
How?
You alright,
How?
go?
Because he put his hands on me. It's on
Listen.
the camera. It's on the camera. It's on the
You got the
camera.
taste again. Stop.
Put your hand behind your back.
Mama!
I need two. I got you.
Golly!
You know what they like to do. Call mommy.
Yeah, you did this, man.
How? He put his hands on me.
I can't do it.
He put his hands on me.
I got it.
I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. God. Golly.
Yeah, you did this, man.
How? He put his hands on me.
I can't do it.
He put his hands on me. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. God. I would never restrain. I put everything else.
So what you think? Because part of me is like, is she a little, not to be rude or sound mean or anything, but is she a little slow? Because when you look at it, like, it seemed like she ain't really wrapped too tight. You know, she ain't got her all her cells ain't there. You know what I'm saying? Might be missing a couple of chromosomes or something. You know, I don't know. This is what I'm trying to figure out. So I'm trying to figure out if she either is under the influence, because that could be a thing, right? She could be under the influence of something. That's maybe why when the cop first came up, she was drinking water, like to try and, you know, maybe mask it or whatever the case may be. Or she might just ain't got all her marbles, man, because a headlight is a ticket. None of this really got to go down like this. You know what I'm saying? Like, a headlight ain't a big deal. That's just a ticket.
Never.
Sit down. Relax.
She needed to sit up.
Golly.
Sit down.
Hey, one, she's in custody. You got it.
I'm all right.
No.
Mama! Mama! Mama!
Quit yelling, bro.
She ain't. She been yelling this whole time.
How? Because he put his hands on me. I just said that. It's on the camera. It's on the cameras. Why can't y'all understand that? He put his
Tried to turn
hands
the
on
car on and
me.
drive off.
He just sat there and put his hands on me. How? I put my phone on the, it's on the Bluetooth. It's on the Bluetooth. I didn't pull up. I didn't drive nowhere. It's on the cameras on the vehicle of the car. I didn't drive nowhere. It's on the Bluetooth. Why would I do that? A cigarette, nicotine, be for real.
Ma'am, you been drinking tonight?
No. No, I just got for work. Oh, ask me to walk in a straight line. I just got.
Look at me.
Look.
Look at me.
That man just put his hands on me. That just traumatized. I've been through a lot of drugs.
God.
I just sat there and said it to the other
loud.
officer. I just sat there and said it to the other officer. I just said he put his hands on me. Please look at the cameras. Please, I'm not lying. He asked me for my ID and I reached for my ID and he put his hands on me. He reached for my hand. Please know that. Please know that. Anything you ask me to do, I will do it right now. I promise you. I handcuffs
What about
and
when
all.
I asked you to get out of the car?
Okay, because at the end of the day,
Wow.
no, I asked you because you came behind him. And I told you, I said he put his hands on me and you did not listen to me. You didn't listen to me. I told you that. And I said it. I said he grabbed my wrist and everything, trying to drag me out the car. And he said that I was not going to get him my ID and everything. No, because I mean a hot dog, literally, please know that. A hot dog, yes, I just got to go to Quinter right now, over there, Fairburn, Georgia. Quinter right now, I just came from there. Please know that.
Does he have her ID?
I just gave him my ID. I just gave him that. And he just dragged me out the car like that.
Come back for me. Hey, sit up for me. Sit up. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out for me. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in. Yeah, she said she can't breathe. Breathe in, breathe out for me. Relax.
Hey, listen to me real quick, okay? The reason you can't breathe is because you're breathing like that. Follow me. In through your nose. In through your nose. Ma'am, you gotta breathe in through your nose. Yeah, because if you keep breathing like that, you will pass out, okay? In through your nose, out through your mouth. Ma'am, you gotta listen to me. In through your nose, out through your mouth. I know you're going through a lot right now, but you're making it worse by the way you're breathing.
I'm trying. I've been trying since I did the vital. I've been trying to breathe correctly, but I can't breathe. I've been breathing right.
You gotta breathe into your nose, out through your mouth, okay? Into your nose.
I cannot breathe. My chest
don't have
out. I need oxygen. I need oxygen to my chest.
Beverage.
I need
You keep hyperventilating, you will pass out. So we
anything that I can do.
Diamond,
yes.
I read the incomplete consent form for you, okay? You agreed to go with me to do that blood test, okay?
Okay.
So you're gonna breathe. You're gonna listen.
No,
If you don't, you agreed.
speak?
Now wait, before you speak.
I have never got to say anything today.
Diamond, if you refuse to go, you're gonna be charged with that, okay? So relax. We're gonna go to the PD. We're gonna take this intox breath test, and then we're gonna go from there.
Pee?
Yes, you will pee right there, okay?
Okay.
All right, calm down. You can breathe now. In and out. You good? We get some water at the PD, okay?
Can I please have a sip of water?
I have no water in here. That's you holding us up. If we go to the PD, we can drink some water, okay? You ready?
Okay.
All right, let's go.
Can I ask you something really?
At the PD.
Okay.
At the PD.
The woman was charged with obstructing identification, resisting arrest, and driving under the influence.
Yeah, I knew it definitely, she either slow or she was under the influence, one of the two, man. And then for her to say that she just got back from work, like, so from you driving home from work to here, you got bombed? Like, what type of work you do, man? But yeah, I think the officers, man, I don't know. That first officer, man, they get like a 3, bruh. It got the job done, but it's really like a 2.7. I ain't gonna lie to you, because that girl controlled the whole situation with the one-on-one officer. Now, once everybody got there and all that, he started puffing his chest out and all that. But in the beginning, it was like, yo, it's like, yeah. So I give man, I can get like a 2.7. Like, I can't even give the full 3 because it's like him by himself was just horrible.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.